Imagine turning just $100 into a fortune. Sounds crazy, right? But guess what? Some of the world's richest investors started with small amounts. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin investing in the stock market. You just need the right strategy. But hold on, the stock market can be tricky. If you invest without knowing the basics, you could lose money fast. That's why, in this video, I'll show you how to invest your first $100 wisely, avoid beginner mistakes, and grow your money over time. Stay till the end because I'll share a powerful tip that most beginners overlook. Section 1. Why invest in the stock market? Let's start with a simple question. Why should you even invest in stocks? Money grows over time. If you leave $100 in your savings account, it barely grows. But if you invest it, it can multiply over time. Beating inflation, prices of things like groceries and rent go up every year. If your money isn't growing, you're actually losing it. Building wealth. The stock market has created more millionaires than any other investment. Question for you. If you had invested in Apple or Amazon 10 years ago, how much do you think your money would be worth today? Drop your guess in the comments. Section 2. Understanding stocks and how they work. Before you invest, let's break down the basics. What is a stock? When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of a company. How do you make money? Stock prices rise over time, plus companies pay dividends. Risk versus reward. Some stocks are safe, like blue chip stocks, while others are risky, like penny stocks. Question for you. Would you rather invest in a big company like Microsoft or take a risk on a new startup? Let me know in the comments. Section 3. The power of compound growth. Here's a secret that wealthy investors know. Compound interest is your best friend. If you invest $100 every month and it grows by 10% yearly, in 30 years, you'll have over $200,000. The key? Start early and stay consistent. Question for you. Would you rather get $1,000 today or $100 that doubles every year for the next 10 years? Think about it. Section 4. Where to invest your first $100. All right, now let's talk about the best places to invest your first $100. Index funds, S&P 500 safe, steady growth, and Warren Buffett loves them. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, diversified and easy for beginners. Individual stocks, riskier but can bring high rewards if chosen wisely. Question for you. Would you put your first $100 into an index fund or try picking individual stocks? Let me know. Section 5. How to actually buy stocks. Time to get practical. Here's how you can invest your first $100 today. Choose a brokerage, e.g., Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade. Open an account. Deposit your $100. Pick your investment. Index funds, ETFs, or stocks. Hit buy and you're in. Question for you. Have you ever bought stocks before? If yes, what was your first stock? Comment below. Section 6. Mistakes beginners must avoid. Even expert investors make mistakes, but beginners often fall into these traps. Panic selling. Market drops? Don't freak out. Stay invested. Investing without research. Never buy stocks just because someone said so. Putting all money in one stock. Always diversify. Question for you. Which mistake do you think is the most dangerous? Let's talk in the comments. Section 7. Pro tip to maximize your $100 investment. Here's something most beginners don't do, but you should automate your investments. Set up an auto-invest plan, invest $100 every month without thinking about it. Dollar cost averaging this reduces your risk and helps grow wealth over time. Question for you. Would you be able to invest $100 every month? Let me know. Final thoughts and call to action. So, is investing in the stock market with just $100 possible? Yes. Here's what we covered today. Why invest in stocks? How stocks work? Where to invest your first $100. Step-by-step guide to buying stocks. Mistakes to avoid. Pro tips for maximizing your returns. Remember, it's not about how much money you start with. It's about starting early. Even small investments can grow into big wealth over time. If you learned something new today, smash that like button. Subscribe for more investing and finance tips every week. Comment below, what's the first stock you would buy with $100? Let's chat.